Hello and thank you so much for returning to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday, and today I am putting on the Glam Fantasy Nails by Kiss Nails. The nails are called Parasol. They're perfect for spring. I think the very nice color. I like the lavender. I like all of the glitter and the iridescent mixed in with the matte nails. So we've all seen me put on my nails before, so you know that with Kiss it comes with everything that you need. So going forward into the video, because I've already gotten started as you can see, you would just need to make sure that your nails are buffed really good, get rid of all of the debris, and then use your nail polish remover, pure acetone, to kind of clean up all of the nail gook that you filed off. And then also make sure that you line your cuticles to make sure that the nails fit perfectly. So throughout this process, you'll see me putting on your nails. I really do hope that you enjoy them. Okay, so now my nails are on. As you can see, they are coffin shaped nails, and they're pretty long, but again, I found that the long nails aren't so bothersome. I can type in them like normal, and I can just do normal things around the house, like, you know, like nothing's nothing. So I just thought that these nails were really beautiful. The lavender, the glitter, and the iridescent. I know that they were very sought after. I found them at Ulta, and if you actually click on the link in this video, you'll be able to see them too. That's pretty much it for this video. These gorgeous nails are available at Ulta and Kiss. You can see them online on their website. But thank you so much for joining me. This is Damaris Everyday, and I hope you all enjoy.